Hey everyone, welcome back. Picked this up a few weeks ago. It's a good little grinder actually, and I've got some junk. I'm going to try and make a stand with it. You know, a stand, not that kind of stand. So yeah, I need to cut some of this off the top and then put it into the gap in the bottom because it's loose. So that needs to be filled out, and then I can weld it and it'll be a bit stronger down the bottom. I don't know how strong this will be overall. I have no idea. But I'm going to clean up the disc first. There's no point wasting it. It's useful scrap. So yeah, I have to fire up the welder at some point. And one thing I need to do with this, so I'm going to clean it up. I'm just going to sort my glove out. Hang on. Sorry about the shaky camera. Right. I looked at this one here. Sorry, the light's behind me, I can't see that well. This disc doesn't look in great condition, but I know they can be sorted out. That one is better, but it's still got like a curved side to it. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that, but it runs nicely and it works. I'm going to get a polishing wheel and a wire wheel. I don't know how easy they are to swap out, but I've only got one of these and it was a bargain for £25. Instead of like spending 70 odd for a new one. Some of the writing I can't make out, but yeah, sorry about the focus on there. I don't know why it's doing that. I was going to try and strip this down, rub it down and paint all the casings, and yeah, if I can do a video on that, that'd be quite interesting. But yeah, it's just a quick update. Still got stuff to do on the bike. The RS125, I still have to put the rear brake caliper drum thing into the rear wheel. I've got a new package in the post for the ZZR, so that's got to be done, and I have a suspicion of what it is. I'm using a mobile, not my normal camera. So what do we have here? We have a switchgear in absolutely tip-top condition. This looks immaculate. Look at that. That feels like it's brand new. Wow. That looks brand new. It does. It's got a bit of wear on it because obviously it's not brand new. You can see on the side there where it has been used. Obviously this would be on the handlebar on that side, so you'd be pulling turn switch, turn signals, turn off, high and low beam, and your pass light, so it's flashlight. Let's have a look at these connectors. Yeah, that's not new because obviously it's stained. But yeah, this is for Pinky. Yeah, so yeah, talking about this, yes, I need to swap the wheels or like strip it down and clean it, that kind of thing. But yeah, the thing I was going to talk about regarding my channel, it is relating to a car, and yeah, Classic Britain, Aaron, Sheldon, whatever you want to call him, he doesn't mind either way, has decided to try and help me acquire a car, and I think you guys on my channel might know what it is. Give me a little smiley face in the comment section if you know what it is. but he's given a shout out to try and help me acquire the car. So yeah, big shout out to him. And if you haven't seen the video where he's with Lucas talking about me, feel free to go and have a look. It's quite a good channel. I enjoy it. It's funny at times and also interesting regarding Kismet. I like seeing him work on cars. So yeah, feel free to go and check that out. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Yeah, chuck this bit in again. Yeah, I was talking about these wheels, and yeah, completely forgot to talk about this bracket here where there's nothing there to protect the wheel. This one's all bent and rusty, and it's all seized up and everything, so it does need a good look. But other than that, it works fine. No problems, bearings seem good, and yeah, no issue with it at all.